Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some NCERT problems based on electric power. So question number 12. Please read down the question number 12.
Several electric bulbs designed to be used on 220 electric supply line.
We take it some bulbs. Supply voltage given to the bulb is 220 volt. Given V is equal to 220 volt.
Are rated 10 watt.
And power of each bulb is 10 watt.
How many bulbs can be connected in parallel with each other?
Our aim is to calculate. Suppose we connect a bulb 1, bulb 2, etc. So we need to calculate the number of bulbs to join with a supply voltage 220 volt with maximum current is 5 ampere.
Across the two wires of 220 volt line, if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere.
If maximum allowable current is 5 ampere. The supply voltage is 220 volt. This is the supply voltage, not the voltage of the bulb. But it's connected in parallel, so then its voltage must be 220 volt. It depends on the resistance and etc. So first we calculate the resistance of the each bulb. Then we calculate the net resistance of the circuit. Then we can say how many bulbs we need. So here all the bulbs are connected in parallel. Then when bulbs are connected in parallel, it means the resistance, each bulb has some resistance. So resistance are connected in parallel. So when the resistances are connected in parallel, in that situation the potential of each bulb is remain same. And in this situation, power is directly proportional to 1 by R, or we can say inversely proportional to R by using relation P is equal to V square by R. Why I will take this formula? Because in this situation V is constant for all the bulbs. Is same for all the bulbs. So I use this relation P is equal to V square by R. We have to calculate the resistors of each resistor. So the resistance of each bulb is given by the relation. If we have P is equal to V square by R, what is the value of R? R is equal to V square upon P. So I use this relation. So I get R dash is equal to V square by P. Here I assume R dash is the resistance of each bulb. The value of V is given supply voltage 220 volt. Substitute here value of V 220 volt. So 220 into 220 power is given 10 watt divided by 10 watt. When you simplified it, you get 4840 ohm. 0 to 0 cancel. 22 into 22 is 484 and 1. So this is the value of the resistance of each bulb. But we have to calculate the net resistance. So now supply voltage is given 220 volt and maximum current drawn, the combination of this bulb is given 5 ampere. So then apply the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. We can calculate the effective resistance of the combination. So that resistance, net resistance, I assume it capital R. Therefore, the total resistance of the circuit is by Ohm's law R is equal to V by I. Value of voltage is 220 volt because they are connected in parallel to the supply voltage. So voltage of each bulb is become 220 volt. So 220 volt upon current, maximum current we can draw is 5 ampere divided by 5. We get after simplification its value is 44 ohm. I hope up to this step is clear to everyone. Now our aim is to calculate the total number of bulbs. Yeah, how many bulbs we use it to make the power 10 watt and the current of the circuit become 5 amps. Maximum current of is 5 ampere. So let n resistors are connected. So we know that when n resistance of each resistor will remain same, the net resistance is given by R by N. So our in this situation the resistance of each resistor be R dash. N resistors are connected in parallel. So the effective resistance of this combination we assume capital R. So capital R is equal to R dash upon N. So here R is equal to R dash upon N. Our aim is to calculate N. So N, rearrange it. Therefore N equal to R dash upon R. R dash we have already calculated. This is 4840. Substitute here. R 44 and substitute here. Calculate it. 44 1 ja 44. 4 पहले 44 ja 1. That is equal to 110. The total number of bulbs are connected in parallel in this circuit is 110. This is our answer. Thank you very much.